Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do a competitor backlink analysis using Semrush so that you can see what backlinks your competitors have and potentially find some backlinking opportunities for yourself. So for the purpose of this video I'm using Semrush because I use this. It's a very good SEO tool. I highly recommend you use something like this. If you want to get Semrush, I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description below where you can get a 7-day free trial. Otherwise something like Ahrefs will work as well for you if you've already got that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick out a random business from Google. I've just typed in plumbers in Sydney. I'm going to scroll down to let's say the third or fourth page, get somebody from down here and then see if we can find some competitors to compare them against and what they could do to get more links. So I'm going to open up these guys here and I'm just going to copy the URL and we'll put it in here to analyze their backlinks. So that's the first thing you could do is put it in there, analyze the backlinks of the actual website itself, whether it's your website or client or whatever. You put that in here and see what it's going to spit out. Okay, and now we can see the authority score of the website, what referring domains, how many they've got. These guys have 350 referring domains. I'm surprised they're so far down. How many backlinks in total they have, so about 6,200, and a bunch of different other things, you know, the different anchors they have, what authority score the sites linking to them have, and so on. Now, what you can do with this is, first of all, you can see this already here, got similar profiles, and it gives a bunch of competitors, and you can see it's relatively close, like Apex Plumbing, there's a couple of others, Roof Painting, not exactly, these other guys not as much, but Apex Plumbing is pretty good. I'm just going to click on that one. Now what you can do from here, if you want to go into this and analyze this in depth, you can. For instance, what you could do is pull out one of the competitors, and we'll do that in a sec, and take a look at what referring domains they have and then try and get links on the same websites. So if we go into, for instance, backlink audit, or actually we can go to backlink analysis, what will happen is we can put their link in here and we can put a couple of the competitors. So let's go back to page 1 and we'll pick out like the top 3 in the area. So Proximity Plumbing, Fix Today Plumbing, Hero Plumbing, Pure Plumbing. Let's take these 4. And what we'll do is we'll take these guys and we'll chuck these all in to there. I'm just going to take the main domain, Plumbing Pros, and maybe, I think that was 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be one more. I think we didn't get Hero. And now we can go compare. And so now what's going to happen is it's going to compare all these websites together. As you can see here, you can see the authority score of each of them. You can see how many backlinks they have, how many referring domains they have, and so on. Now you can see that these guys all have a higher authority score and more backlinks and more referring domains than our one that we're analyzing. And so this tells us that there's quite a lot of work that can be done here on the website that we're analyzing. Now, what we can do is we can go in and take a look at what the referring domains are. So if we open this, we can take a look specifically at what the referring domains are of one of the competitors, as you can see here. And you can go down this list one by one and see what backlinks they actually have. And in theory, you could try and get your link on some of these. Now, not all of these are going to be necessarily valuable. Some of these will be random, like website aggregators and like scrapers and all kinds of stuff. But you can go through this list and occasionally you'll find some good links that you can maybe try and get a link on. Now, the other thing you can do is you can actually do a competitive overview. If we go here into backlink gap under competitive research, if we type in their website, so I'm going to go back to the original one and put that in here. And now I'm going to put all these guys in again. What this is going to do is it's going to do a good comparison for us. So I'll show you what I mean. We can go these guys, we'll go these guys, and we'll go these guys. We'll chuck them all in here. And we'll find this. And now what's going to happen is it's going to actually put it all into a table for us and show us where they have links that we don't and so on. So assuming that we're the website we're analyzing. So we can take a look here. You can see the chart and basically you can see here, this is all of the backlinks that everyone has. And then we can see here who has the link on the site and who doesn't. So for instance, if we sort by our website, we can see which links these guys don't have that everyone else does. So for instance, Pinterest is one already that they could make a link on. You got Bing as well. They could theoretically make a listing on Bing, like Business Bing. There's a couple of other sites here. These all look like directories. 7 News on one of them. And you can go down the list now and you can see who has what links where. So for instance, SEO Site Checkup, that's probably a scraper of some kind. 2 of them have a link there and so on. So this is a basic backlink analysis that you can go through and find out what backlinks your competitors have that you don't, and then you can go through them and try and get some of these. So for instance, here you can go unique ones. You can sort this list list by all kinds of different filters that it gives you here, you see. So you can go like which ones are weak, which ones are the best opportunities, the best domains, and so on, and then you can go through and find which sites you want to rank for. So that's basically how you can conduct a very basic overview of your competitors using Semrush. It will give you some opportunities for sure with backlinks that you can find that you can go and make, even if it's directories you didn't know about and things like that. So I highly recommend you do this if you're trying to get your website to rank on Google. This is the most basic backlink analysis you can do basically with a tool like this. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below and I will answer them. Otherwise, if you'd like me to coach you on how to do SEO or Google ads for only $49 a month, go to learndominatemarketing.com. And if you'd like us to do the SEO or Google ads for your business, go to dominatemarketing.io, book a call with us there. Catch you on the next one.